Hey friends!
Hey!
Thank you for tuning in to Thirsty Thursday. It's been a while, but today I felt inspired. I was like, today we are going to make that Costco Mocha Freeze. Every time I go to Costco, if you guys watch my Shop With Me videos, I always get one. It's so good. I was like, I need to learn how to make it because I don't go to Costco that much, you know? So today we were gonna make that, so stay tuned. So let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need chocolate sauce. This is for inside the smoothie and also to kind of decorate the cup or the mug that you're gonna use. And of course, a cup of ice. That'll make it nice and slushy and cold to make it that yummy mocha freeze. And this is the secret ingredient, hot cocoa mix. It makes it taste so delicious and chocolatey. And any kind of milk. I use a 1/3 cup of almond milk, but you can use regular coconut, any kind that you like. And a cup of ice cream. This is gonna make it taste creamy and sweet. And I feel like every smoothie, boba place that you go to, when they make something like a delicious drink recipe, they always have ice cream. So that is something that I wanted to add. And of course, a cup of coffee, 1 cup of cold coffee. So any type of coffee that you brew, you just wait an hour or so to refrigerate it and make sure that it's cold, because if you add hot coffee with ice, it's just gonna melt it and then it won't make it like a nice slushy or even make it cold. It'll just turn into like a warm mocha warm drink. Yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Alright you guys, let's make that mocha freeze. So I always like to do liquids first when I put everything in the blender, so let's do that. I am using a cup of coffee, and make sure that it's cool, like not even warm, because you'll melt the ice if it's even remotely close to warm. So I did this like an hour ago on my Verismo, and I like a dark roast, and I chose Cafe Verona, the Verismo dark roast pod, because when it's a dark roast, you can actually taste the coffee versus just the sweetness of like the chocolate and everything like that. And then this, you can do milk, coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, any kind. I chose almond milk. This is a 1/3 cup. So we're just going in there, and chocolate sauce. I mean, it can't be a mocha freeze without some chocolate sauce. That's maybe about 2 tablespoons or so. You can do more or less. And by the way, this is not healthy. This is a dessert, so we're going crazy with this, okay? And then we're gonna do vanilla bean ice cream, just 1 scoop, even though I kind of want to do like 10. But let's just kind of keep it a little less. But I'm not wasting any. You guys saw that? And if I wasn't on camera, I'd probably lick the bowl, be like, ah, because it's good. And then this is like the secret magical stuff. This is hot cocoa mix. You just add it. It's gonna make it so like chocolatey delicious. And then the ice. And now you are ready to blend. So if you guys ever go to Costco, they put chocolate sauce like in the cup. Oh, and then they're never stingy with it. So that's what we're gonna do, just to make it all cutesy and delicious looking. Just like people at Costco do. They're like my best friends. I wanna be like, hey, how are you? Thanks for my drink and thanks for being so good to me by adding all that chocolate. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make 2. Any chocolate sauce you guys want. This is optional, by the way, but I think it shouldn't be. Like, it definitely is, but it shouldn't be. And then you are ready to pour. Oh dang, look at that! That looks amazing. And then, of course, add a straw. All of our straws have bite marks on them because, you know, parent life. And then, okay, hold on. I think we gotta add a little bit more. A little bit more on top just to make it look pretty. Like that, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys are ready. So we have our taste tester here.
Ooh, yes.
You guys, I drank mine already. It was so good. It was so good.
There we go.
Isn't that a good dessert drink?
This tastes exactly like it, honestly.
I think, you guys, I think it does. Like, I honestly can say I think it does, but Costco's is stronger with their coffee. So what I do is I'd add a shot of espresso in here.
That's
cold,
exactly what the
like,
difference
and
is, I
then
think.
cool it down a little bit so that it doesn't like melt, you know?
I'm really impressed, actually. I was thinking that, like, okay, it's sweet, but I was thinking with all the stuff you were going to put in that it was going to be, like, really sweet. But it's not that sweet. This is pretty delicious. This is kind of deadly, actually, though.
Oh, and add more ice if you like it to be that slushy, like, but I wanted it to be like this so I could just like, drink it.
That's the dangerous things about these drinks. Like, it's so easy to just like drink it, right? Like just like slurp it right up because it's just so good.
I know, right? And you have no clue what's in there. Ice cream.
I know.
Goodness gracious. I don't even know if Costco has ice cream in theirs, but I was inspired to add ice cream because that boba place. Oh my god.
Yeah, they do. It's
that boba place, that's
the secret ingredient.
Oh my gosh.
It's like the slushy ones that they make. Yeah.
My eyes roll back. It was that good, you guys. You guys have to try it. It's so delicious. And yeah, I want to go now so that I can drink Justin's too. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. In the comments below, let me know what you guys want me to make in future videos. Like the next week is gonna be another Thirsty Thursday. But after that, just let me know. Like I was actually chatting with my best friend Dee, and we were like, I actually came up with like this idea of like showing her how to make like your top ramen really like really good, like adding stuff to your top ramen. Like I love top ramen, you guys, so maybe that's a video that I'll do. Actually, you know what, I think I might do that because I love top ramen. But then remember, honey, I add stuff to mine. She's
the queen of that.
I won't add stuff. Yeah, but that'll be a future video too. But let me know, please leave your requests down below and I will be happy to film them. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.